Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gilang. You can call me Gilang. I live in Depok, exactly in Sleman, Jogja, and now let me present let me present to you all about inside the computer. Inside the computer, a computer is composition of various internal composition that work together to process information and execute text. Each part has its own function, yet they operation in coordination to ensure 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 the system runs smoothly. Key components such as the motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard drive, and the power supply play essential roles in computing computing performance performance by understanding these internal parts. We can gain insight into how a computer operation, how data in processing, and how performance can be improved. This knowledge is useful not only for troubleshooting and maintenance, but also for upgra- upgrading hardware to meet specific needs. Learning what is inside a computer help use technology more effectively and responsibly. What is um, what is a computer? A computer is machine that can receive input, process data, store information, and and give out give output. It helps people do things faster and easier. CPU CPU atau bisa dipanggil dengan prosesor. The CPU is the brain of a computer that executes program instructions and manage basic system operation. It's a small silicon chip integrated into the motherboard. Main function, data processing, performance, arithmetic, calculation, logical operation, and control program flow. 2. System coordination, manage interaction between hardware and software, include multitasking and executing US commands. 3. Speed and efficiency determined below speed in GHz, number of cores and change for temporary data storage. RAM is a type of computer memory that stores temporary data for quick access by the CPU. It's a volatile component that loses data when power is off, unlike permanent storage like HDD or SSD. Main function 1. Temporary storage. Whole program and data current in use as open application or process file. So, speed access allow the CPU to access data quickly in nanosecond, supporting multitasking and system performance. 3. Coordination with CPU acts as a buffer between the CPU and long-term storage improve efficiency. Hardware. A hardware, hard drive. A hard drive or HDD is a permanent data storage device is a computer that use magnetic plates to store information is different from RAM, temporary, and slower than SSD but cheaper for large capacities. Main function: when long-term storage, store store operating system, program files, and use data permanently perman, permanent even when power is off to data access allow the CPU and software to retrieve data support as need supporting system booting and daily operation. 3. Large capacity ideal for archiving large data like video or music with capacity up to terabyte. Motherboard. A motherboard or mainboard is the primitive circuit board, a computer that acts the backbone of the system is large printing circuit board that connection, connect and coordinates all hardware components such as the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and storage. Main function: one communication hub enable data transfer between component via pathway like databases, PCB slot, and USB SATA and USB SATA connector to power and control distribution power from the PCU power supply unit and manage basic computer operation including booting the operating system. 3. Expansion provides slot for adding component like sound card or network adapter. Power supply. The power supply unit computer converts the power from the wall outlet to the type of power needed by the computer. It sends power drop cable to the motherboard and other component. Main function: 1. Power conversion transfers as voltage A titik A titik G titik 220 V into DC at appropriate level such as 2. Power distribution. Channel power to component via cables and connector, preventing overvoltage or undervoltage. 3. System protection. Feature like overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and high efficient consolation. Understanding the internal component of a computer allows you to appreciate how each part contributes to the overall performance of the system. The motherboard connect and coordination hardware, the CPU process processing processing data, RAM provide temporary working memory storage device keep data long term, and the power supply deliver the energy needed for operation. When these, when these components work together effectively, the computer and runs smoothly and efficient by efficient. By knowing how this part function, we are better equipped to maintain, trouble, and upgrade computer to meet our needs.